Good morning, fellow nerd fighters and super Carlin friends. It's Thursday. I come to you from the mythical outdoors, which I really think didn't exist until I'm finally here. So I've had midterms this week for high school, and yeah, they really suck. But that means I've had a lot of free time, which means that's why you're getting a video, basically. Today is an amazing day. Today, I'm going to talk to you about space travel. Those of you who know me in real life probably know I'm an extremely intellectual person. And because I'm such an intellectual person, I have spent the majority of my free time thinking about really intellectual things. Like Care Bears. What? I don't think about Care Bears daily. Definitely not hourly. BAM! Movie magic. Anyway, so the Big Bang happened. We know it happened. We can use this thing called cosmic background radiation to trace the radiation of the universe, and it all moves back together perfectly. Big Bang, almost 100% confirmed. Just thought I'd get that out of the way before I moved on. I have my own theories on light. I think that light has to have mass because I think that if it didn't have mass, we wouldn't be able to see it. I also don't think that light is the fastest thing. We have almost confirmed that light isn't the fastest thing. I mean, we've almost kind of found things that are faster. Now is when we get into the fun, theoretical, hypothetical stuff. What would happen if we were able to travel faster than light? That is a great question, me, from a slightly different angle. See, the main problem with that is that we might have to have an infinite energy source. Now, there is some debate about that. In a vacuum, any amount of energy causes a certain amount of acceleration. And of course, when kinetic energy converts into mass, things get a little harder to push when the energy source is having to push more stuff. But if we were to have a tiny rocket that uses as little fuel as possible, push something for an extremely long time, I'm talking millennia, maybe a couple million years, would we get to something reaching the speed of light? Probably not. It would take an extremely long time and we would all die before it got even close. Plus, the longer it was pushing, the harder it would have to push in order to accelerate, and it's... No. It wouldn't happen. I can't tell you how many times my takes have been interrupted by this phone! But what if it could happen? If the rocket was still pushing, would we be able to go past the speed of light? Probably, but at an extremely slow acceleration rate. Extremely slow. Is there a maximum speed? Probably, probably not. I'm not sure. Nobody will really ever know. What's gonna happen if we go past the speed of light? Probably nothing! Just like how passing the speed of sound doesn't do anything to the observer. Although it is possible that you go back in time. But, I mean, the theories about that are, not specific. There's no way for you to, like, control how far back you're going and stuff, and it's very, very hypothetical. Don't take any of that 100% seriously truth. Anyway, so that's what's been annoying my tiny human mind these past few days. I'm your average, ordinary, everyday superhero. I'll see you next week. Why did I do this again? I don't know. I'm sorry. Stop crying. You're gonna be okay. My neck hurts in this position.